what's up everyone, I'm from McDonald's here, so I'm doing another food review, so, I guess this would be not a soda though, but it is a drink, it's a ice cream. This is the chocolate shake from McDonald's, so, I've actually already drank, just a little bit of it. I just got back from the drive-thru at McDonald's. It's like about 8:30 in the evening right now, so, yeah, so I've had this before, but not in a long time. I've always loved the, shakes and all the different ice cream things at McDonald's. The food, like the burgers and chicken sandwiches and chicken nuggets, I kind of don't really like it that much anymore. I do love the fries and the shakes and stuff. But anyway, let's just try it out. I can definitely smell that chocolate with the vanilla with whipped cream stuff on it. No cherry though. I'm kind of surprised they didn't put a cherry on it, but whatever. Let's just get right to it. Yeah, really good. Always loved it, and I haven't had it in so long. I've always loved the Shamrock Shake from McDonald's, which is obviously now discontinued. Won't be out until next year. It's always out in March for St. Patrick's Day, but I think this might be my second favorite shake after the Shamrock Shake from McDonald's. So this is gonna get a 9 out of 10. Very, very good. So, yeah, so, thank you much for watching. Let me know if, like, what your favorite sundae or, frappe or any ice cream thing from McDonald's is. So, anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Happy early 4th of July. Anyway, thank you much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And peace out.